Hello! In this tutorial video, I'll walk you through what to expect during an Honorlock proctored exam. When you begin the exam, you'll be automatically connected to Honorlock. If you haven't downloaded the extension, you'll have an opportunity to do so before you begin. As you can see, an external camera is required. You can use either a webcam or a cell phone. I'm going to walk through the process of connecting a mobile device. If you're using a cell phone, you'll need to download the Honorlock mobile app. Scanning this QR code will direct you to download it from your app store. Before you begin, you should read the assessment guidelines. This gives you additional instructions for your exam and tells you what is allowed and what is not allowed. You should look at this list very carefully before each exam. If there are any allowed websites, they will be listed. When you're ready to proceed, press Begin Authentication. You'll be directed to close any extra tabs or applications you have open on your device. You'll then be directed to open the Honorlock desktop app. Similar to the mobile app, if you don't already have the desktop app, you'll be prompted to download it at this time. When you reach this face detection checkpoint, make sure to center your face in the circle and take a screenshot. At the microphone check, make sure you have a functioning microphone during your assessment. You should not mute it at any time. You can test your microphone by speaking during the next step. The little green bar will indicate that sound is heard. Don't proceed until you have confirmed that your microphone is working. You'll share your entire screen, and you can choose to use your phone app or your computer to proceed with the next steps. I'll show you how to use your mobile app for authentication. You need to make sure that your cell phone is sufficiently charged. If it runs out of power, your session could be interrupted and you risk receiving a 0 on your exam. So make sure that it's either connected to power or fully charged before you begin. You'll also want to make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. You'll scan the QR code on screen to begin the authentication process. The first step will be to verify your ID. You'll need a physical ID card at your desk in order to perform this step. Line up your ID in the box and press the camera button. Once you've confirmed your ID, you'll be asked to check your workspace. You need to be taking your assessment at a table or desk, and it needs to be uncluttered. You're only allowed to use the materials and devices allowed on the assessment, which you reviewed earlier in this process. Next, you'll be prompted to take a photo of your workspace by lining the QR code up with the box on your cell phone screen. Now it's time to set up your side angle camera. Before clicking Take Photo, make sure you have met all the side camera requirements. There should be space behind your head, your hands, keyboard, and scratch paper, if allowed, should be visible, and your entire monitor should also be seen by the side angle camera. As you'll notice, the display on your camera does not always match the display on your computer. You want to confirm the display on your computer, not the display on your phone. Please reach out to your teacher if you have any questions about taking an Honorlock proctored exam.